Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to check whether a number is a perfect number using Python. A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors, excluding itself. Let's understand this with an example. Take the number 28. The proper divisors of 28, excluding 28, are 1, 2, 4, 7, and 14. If we add these divisors, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, we get 28. Since the sum is equal to the original number, 28 is a perfect number. Let us take another number 16. The proper divisors of 16 excluding 16 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. If we add these divisors, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, we get 15. Since the sum is not equal to the original number, 16 is not a perfect number. Now, let us write a Python program to check for perfect numbers. We'll begin by defining a function called is_perfect with parameter n. This function will help us check whether a given number n is a perfect number or not. Inside the function, we use a list comprehension to find all proper divisors of n. First, let us write I for I in range of 1, n. This gives us all numbers starting from 1 up to n minus 1. But we do not need all these numbers, we just need the proper divisors. To filter only the proper divisors, add a condition in the list comprehension that n division by I leaves no remainder, that is n modulus I, should be equal to 0. Now, divisors variable will have the list of proper divisors for given n. Calculate the sum of these divisors using sum built-in function. Then we'll compare the sum of the divisors with the original number and return the comparison result. If they are equal, the return value is true. Otherwise, the return value is false. We'll read a number from the user using input function. Since input function returns a string value, use int function to convert it into an integer. We'll store this integer value in a variable called n. Make a call to this is_perfect function and pass the n as argument. Since this function returns a Boolean value, we can use this directly as a condition in an if-else statement and print whether the number is perfect or not. Let us do a dry run of this logic. If the user enters 28, is_perfect function is called with the argument 28. The program finds its divisors 1, 2, 4, 7, and 14. The sum is 28, which matches the input, so the program prints 28 is a perfect number. If the user enters 16, the proper divisors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The sum is 15, which is not equal to 16. So the program prints 16 is not a perfect number. Let's run the program. When the user enters a number, for example, 28, the program checks the condition and prints 28 is a perfect number. To summarize, a perfect number is equal to the sum of its proper divisors. In Python, we can use a simple loop or list comprehension to find these divisors and check for perfection. If this video helped you understand how to check for perfect numbers in Python, Give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.